Moonlight and Stardust. Oh, there's a special book. I kind of saw it. And there's a creativity corner. We have a box. Takes up most of it. With freedom, books, flowers, and the moon. Who could not be happy? I don't know what it's in here. I'm gonna open it. I think it might be a cup, maybe. Oh, it's something to build.
I don't know, pull it out.
Yeah, it's definitely
A
ball.
Open it.
A moon. How did that happen?
Show me, let me see.
I don't know how this happened.
We'll read it in the booklet later. Maybe we'll figure it out. I think the wood pieces is a stand. You put it together, it's like a stand on it.
So like you could do.
I don't know.
I don't know where this.
Yeah, probably to charge it, right?
Yeah. I don't know how you do it. I think you shake it.
Yeah, I don't know.
It's really cool. Look.
It is really cool.
It's like the moon phases.
Oh, I see that. All right.
That's really cool. I'm gonna put it over here.
That is really cool. I agree.
Box. Ooh, got a pin. Stay wild, moon child. That's really cute. I like that one.
Yeah, I like it too.
Nice too.
Oh, yeah.
Ooh.
Look through it.
The heart is built of starlight and time.
Look through it. I think it's a kaleidoscope. Look through the other side, silly, and spin it.
Wow. Yeah, it's a kaleidoscope, and they have little things in there.
Mm-hmm.
Wow.
Very cool, right?
Nice, such cool shapes.
Ready?
Ooh, and my fingers on it. It's cool. Really cool. I like the moon a lot.
Yeah, I know.
I feel like there's some.
We'll read it. We'll read everything later and figure it out.
I think this is a button.
Oh. I think you were right.
I think I might press it each time.
Yeah.
I think we got another mirror, I feel like.
Let's see.
I think it's another mirror. No. It's a compact.
So what is it?
It looks like a compact from Marusha. Moonlight. I can't read it. It's too much in cursive.
Let's see. Moonlight drowns out all but the brightest stars. You love it.
Kind of like the compact.
Yeah. Like Arusha.
Yeah. I wonder if it does have two mirrors in Arusha. And if you look through one mirror, you can also see the other mirror. And then another mirror in that one. Put this in.
Don't want to break it, right? These are some really nice items this month.
Yeah, I like the moon.
The moon is your favorite?
Either this,
The kaleidoscope?
this, or this.
Well, that was a lot. That was almost everything was your favorite. Oh, goodness. Anything else in there? Yeah.
Now for the book. Oh,
Ooh.
so another thing, more stuff.
What's the book?
Al Craig Jr. exclusive edition. Oh, I think this is what the moon is from. The plentiful darkness.
Ooh, that looks good.
And the no.
Do you want to try to open it and get the
Sticker
sticker
looks
out
nice.
so we can see it? And the book too?
Yeah, the sticker looks nice.
You think you can get it?
Yep.
You want me to try to get it?
Okay.
Okay. Oh, you do got it. Oh, that sticker is,
Yeah, I like it.
yeah, amazing. Very you, that sticker.
Oh, and we just finished City Spies from Secret Colors today.
Oh, from that box, yeah. That was a
I
long.
don't think
That was
we
like a
did
lot. That was like a year ago, maybe that box.
I
Yeah.
don't think we did that.
No,
Oh,
I don't think you
love
did.
that. I love how the cover feels.
You know how the cover feels?
Nice.
Beautiful.
No, not from the novel.
Maybe inside? Look inside. No, no, no. Okay.
And it's just like
Plain inside.
I like
The-
ones that have the inside color.
Oh, when the hardcover has a design on it? Yeah,
Signature, I think.
I think so. Oh yeah, there is your, it's in there.
First time that's ever happened.
That I can remember, yeah, I think so. Very cool.
See if there's anything else. Nope.
Nice, that looks really good.
It's good. Wait, let me turn you off again. I think this is what the moon is from.
Yeah.
What she's holding in her hand.
Ooh, can't wait to read it.
Okay.
What is it?
It's like a folding thing.
Right, what is it? It says it on the top, silly.
Adio or
Let me see. Origami.
origami.
That's
Color
that
foil
technique.
origami.
Yeah, color foil.
You can fold it into stuff.
Maybe the directions are inside the
Yeah, that's what I think that's what
You think you saw it in there?
in the pamphlet.
for the creativity corner, maybe?
Yeah, that. I think that was for the creativity corner.
Yeah, that's exactly it.
Maybe, no, I don't
Yeah,
think so.
that's it.
Really?
What are they teaching you to make in that one?
Because the instructions are in here.
No, that's for folding something different. This one has, let's see it. Does it say what you're making?
No.
Let me see. Oh. Yes, it says gather the stars or coins or any of your beloved trinkets with an origami star box. Follow the steps below to create your very own stellar keepsake. Isn't that cool?
Yeah.
Is there a sneak peek for next month?
Yep.
Oh.
The theme of September Alcott Jr. is creature communities. We're celebrating communities next month, from symbiotic zoology relationships to fictional animal friendships. September's book is a timeless low fantasy tale from one of the biggest middle grade authors of our time that brings together unforgettable characters and a powerful message about interconnecting nature of all creatures. This story will be perfect for fans of Crenshaw, the one and only Item we've read.
The one and only what? I'm sorry.
Ivan.
Oh,
And Flora and
Ulysses.
Yep. It's back. And that's everything. I like this one a lot. Really cool. Let's see if you could try.
Oh, you think they can do it? I don't know. Oh, they can. Very cool, Julian.
I don't know how it happens though.
Ooh, thanks for sharing that. Okay.
Bye.